Hi there, students. Presently. Okay, this is an adverb. Let's see. I think most people today, if you use the word presently, they would understand that what you are doing at this present time. So presently, I'm studying to be an instructor. Yeah, presently, at the present time. Okay, what are you doing presently? Notice presently this adverb is screaming out for, it's crying out for a continuous verb. What are you doing at the present? Yeah, what are you doing? Now, presently has another meaning, and I love this other meaning of presently. I think presently is one of my favourite words in this more old-fashioned meaning. We very often can use it to mean soon. So, I will be with you presently, soon, within the present time frame, a short time from now. It doesn't mean tomorrow or next week. It means in a few minutes, when the time is right, when I'm available. I'm sorry, I haven't got the numbers here in front of me, but I'll find them and ring you back presently. Soon, yeah? A short time afterwards. I sat down and presently the doctor came in. Okay. So, yeah, he looked at me and presently he said, hello. Okay, so a small time after, a short time after. I remember this word from Beatrix Potter in Peter Rabbit, presently. Yeah, okay, soon afterwards. Yeah, something will happen presently, it will happen soon. Yeah, it's like saying, hold your horses, not now. Yeah, and maybe this is an indication of the now society that we live in, that this word presently has changed from meaning soon, in a short while, in the current time frame, to now. What are you doing presently? Yeah? You see, to me that has two meanings. What are you doing at this precise moment? Or what are you doing after this? What are you doing in a short while from now? Yeah, so I'll be with you presently, I'll be with you shortly, I'll be with you directly, before long. Yeah, I walked into the shop and I couldn't see anyone, but a voice shouted from out the back, I'll be with you presently, in a while, in a short time from now, when I'm free. Yeah, okay, I will be with you presently. Yeah, soon, a short time from now, and I really like this meaning of it. Yeah, it's saying, yes, I know you're there. I'm aware of you when it's the right time. Okay, it will happen presently. Be patient. Yeah, and patience is maybe something that we need. There was a lot of shouting, and presently everything was quiet again. Okay, so presently, soon, shortly, directly, before long. I'll be with you momentarily, in a moment, in a minute, yeah? Okay, and then presently, now, currently, now, at the moment, these days, nowadays, in this day and age. This house is presently uninhabited. There's nobody living in it. Yeah, you'll feel better soon. You'll feel better presently. I nodded off on the sofa, and presently I woke up. Yeah, the group are presently on tour. Okay, so let's see. Presently, what are you doing presently? 5 informality, use anywhere. I'll be with you presently. I think 6 informality. It sounds a little bit old-fashioned, a little bit more formal, but I love that word. And then as to origin, well, clearly it comes from the word present. Yeah, it's the adverb, the present meaning now. And the present comes from Latin praesent, praese, to be present, before and be. I will be before you soon. So, presently, I will publish this video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel. You don't have to do it now, but do it presently. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Presently.